In this week's lesson, we're studying prophecy. Your reading in the textbook will be Zuck, Basic Bible Interpretation, on pages 227 through 249. Let me briefly give you just a textbook definition by Zuck, which is a good definition for prophecy. Zuck says, prophecy is teaching and writing of events before they occurred. They could not have been foreseen by human ingenuity. For this reason, it is erroneous for some scholars to say the Bible writers wrote of events after they occurred, but recorded them as they were prophecies of events yet to come. In other words, some scholars suggest that the book of Daniel was written by editors later on after all the events. In other words, Daniel prophesies of Greece and Rome and these countries and these empires that are falling and crashing. Well, some scholars suggest that actually the writer of Daniel, which according to them was not Daniel, actually wrote Daniel after those events occurred and is telling you that those events are prophecy. In other words, they're lying. We do not view the Bible that way, and Daniel is a book of prophecy, and it's pretty clear internally and externally in the evidence that Daniel is writing before the events occur. In this lesson, we're going to study prophecy. We're going to look at some reasons for studying prophecy. We're also going to compare the millennial views: postmillennial, premillennial, amillennial. Now, those are viewpoints concerning the millennium, and you say, well, why are we studying those in prophecy? Because by and large, the way you view those events, or the millennium and the events around it, is going to affect how you interpret the coming of Christ. We'll also discuss some guidelines for interpreting prophecy. We'll also compare covenant theology with dispensational theology. Again, covenant theology and dispensationality is often a hermeneutical grid. So we'll talk about the difference between the two and the similarities between the two. As I said again, we'll talk about various guidelines for use in interpreting prophecy.